Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Google just announced a massive AI upgrade to Workspace, the tools billions of people use for work every single day. I'm Emily, your "but how much of my data is it reading" person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast and someone who spends way too long manually filling out spreadsheets. Google just made this episode feel like a personal gift.
You're welcome. So at Google Cloud Next this week, Google announced something called Workspace Intelligence, a new AI system baked directly into Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Slides, and Sheets. It pulls data across all your apps to assist with tasks automatically, and importantly, you control exactly what it can and can't see. Turn off any data source at any time.
Which is the right way to do it. More access means more helpful, less access means more private. You decide the trade-off. But honestly, the Sheets updates alone are worth talking about. Gemini can now build your spreadsheet from scratch just from a text prompt, handle formatting, pull in data, and fill it out automatically. Google claims it's 9 times faster than doing it manually.
9 times. Let that sink in. A task that takes you an hour, done in under 7 minutes. And if you paste in messy, unstructured data, like a jumbled list of information, Gemini automatically converts it into a clean, organized table. No more painful reformatting.
And Google Docs got a serious upgrade too. Gemini can now generate, write, and refine entire documents for you. It pulls context from your Drive, Gmail, and chat history to make suggestions relevant to your work. It can even learn and match your personal writing style, so everything still sounds like you.
Which is clever and slightly uncanny. But here's the bigger picture. Google already lives inside most workplaces worldwide. Microsoft, Apple, and a wave of startups are all competing hard for this same space. So Google is moving fast to make sure its tools are so deeply useful that switching feels impossible.
And for everyday workers, this is genuinely great news. Less busy work, less time on formatting and data entry, more time on actual thinking and decision-making. That's a win.
I'll take 9 times faster spreadsheets any day. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Your office tools are getting smarter. The question is whether you are using them smart too. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.